When you launch Project and go to the File tab, the first few commands are old favorites. Save, Save As, Open, Close, and at the very bottom, Exit, all still do what they did before. But the other entries do more, a lot more. On the Info tab, you see information about the active project file on the right side of this page, like its start and finish date. Click Project Information and then Project Statistics to see scheduled, baseline, and actual values, if they exist. Click the Organizer button when you want to copy views, tables, and other elements between files, as you'll learn in a later movie. Click Recent to see all the projects you've opened recently. This is the quickest way to reopen a file. If you're going to work on a project for months, click the push pin to the right of the file name. The project gets pinned to the top of the Recent Projects list. To add projects to the Backstage menu, turn on the Quickly Access this number of recent projects checkbox and type the number of files you want. Project displays that number of recent projects above the Info command, starting with projects you've pinned to the Recent Projects list. You can create a new project file in several ways, as you'll learn in a later movie. The New command in the Backstage is your ticket to all of these methods. The Print page looks like the old Print dialog box. You can select a printer, choose paper orientation, or set margins. When you're ready to print, choose the number of copies and click the big Print button. The one drawback to this print page is that the options area won't shrink, and unless you have a widescreen monitor, it's tough to get a good preview before you print. When you click Save and Send, you can choose ways to save and send your project files. Send your project as an email attachment, synchronize your file with a SharePoint task list, save the file to a SharePoint site, or if you click Save Project as File, it does pretty much the same thing as clicking Save As on the Backstage menu. Clicking Microsoft Office Help opens the Project Help window. You can also get info on your version of Project or find resources for learning more about Project. To open the Project Options window, click Options. Then you can set options for Project or for a specific project file. The File tab contains commands for managing files and more. You can set options or print views and reports. The big difference with the File tab is that it takes over the entire project window. To get back to a project view like the Gantt chart, click another ribbon tab.